Thomas here with Much Props, going to give you another how-to video. This time we are once again building something from the world of Fortnite. I've been getting asked a lot to build this prop pretty much since it came out. Stop asking. Well, I mean, this video is going to take care of your questions. So this is going to be a very simple build. I was at Walmart. I was in the kids section and I found a 4-inch foam dice set. There was 2 in a pack. It was $4. And I thought, man, that looks like the shape of a porta-fort. So here we go. We're going to build a porta-fort out of kids' foam dice. Let's get to building. finished. Here is the end result. Overall, very pleased with the way they turned out. Obviously, the panels are supposed to be recessed. That's how they are in the game. But because of what we use, I didn't want to cut into that foam because it's not the same as EVA foam. It's kind of an open cell. And if you've ever used anything like that before, you know that spray paint and stuff like that dissolves that material. So I just left them the way they were. Maybe you will try and make one of these yourselves and impress your friends with your port-a-fort building skills. So much so that they never ask you to build a fort for them again. You just give them one of those. Maybe you'll get some...
Yay!
And inevitably they're going to ask you, how'd you make that? You can give them one of these. Tell them, much props. The joy of having multiple port-a-forts is you can just keep throwing them on top of each other.